Hello everybody, welcome to this video on feelings and descriptions with Estar. So estar is el verbo to be, and it's temporary and for locations. So here we can see the different conjugations for the verb estar. So I am, yo estoy, you are, tú estás. You formal, are, usted está. He, she, it is, él, ella está. Nosotros estamos, we are. Vosotros estáis, y'all are. Ustedes están, and ellos están. Now let's take a look at some feelings and descriptions with estar. Let's look at some practice questions. So let's fill in the blank with the correct conjugation of estar. So yo, blank, cansado or cansada. Nosotros, blank, feliz. And ustedes, blank, aburrido or aburrida. What do you guys think?